So we can at first choose front end and see what lies here. It's loading, and we will see what is a front-end developer. Actually, if you want to be a developer, at first you have to learn about everything which covers front-end. You have to have a basic understanding of what internet it is, and then you can move on to HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and after learning Git, you have to learn a package manager system, and then you can move to React. And look at this blue icon, which is a tick mark here, which is their personal recommendation or opinion. So we will work through this blue icon area. We will learn about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then Git, NPM, and then React. So you can define yourself as a front-end developer or a JavaScript developer or a React developer, anything, and on the way we'll learn in detail too. So at first you need Node.js for creating a project. Just go to Node.js official site and click on the Get Node.js button and see here this is the latest version of Node.js for Windows. Considering your operating system, you can choose Windows, Mac, or Linux. Docker is not needed now, and you should choose NPM as a beginner. We will learn about UNP NPM later. And then just click on the installer package, and if you click on the installer package, it will begin downloading. I have just clicked on it and see this is downloading, so I have paused it because I have a backup version of Node in my local machine, which is, you can say, the personal computer. After downloading, just click on it and install this in your computer. Click on next and click next. This will be installed inside C drive, and everything should be left as it is seen here. Click on next, leave it as unchecked, and click install, and it will be installed within few minutes. There will be a confirmation dialog which might not shown here. Just click yes on it, and then the Node.js will be installed in your computer. And after installing Node.js, we will need a code editor, because Node.js, under the Node.js, everything will be run. So give it a time and it will be installed, and we can in the meantime just see VS Code, which is the most popular code editor now at this time. I go to the VS Code official site, and you'll see a download button here. Just click on it, and you may have to find the download option, but just know that you have to download Visual Studio Code, which is the recommended software or the official software of Microsoft, and it is very popular, and it will give you an excellent developer experience. So nothing has happened yet. I have clicked on download button again. Yep, no, it is not working. So extend more VS Code, you have to check it a little. I have clicked the download folder again. Nothing is happening. Oh yeah, you have to choose the operating system, which Linux, Mac, or Windows. I have clicked on Windows, and then yep, it is downloading. It is the 64-bit version, which is above 100 MB. I have just paused it. You have because I have a backup of my code editor in my local machine. Just double click on it, and then it will begin installing. In the meantime, we can see that what has happened to our Node installation process. Yep, Node has been installed successfully, because it is shown here. Just click on finish, and we don't have to worry about it. Now let's move on to the code editor. Accept the agreement, next, and here it should be installed inside C drive. This address is a little bit this address is not the exact address. In your CPU it will show the right address, so don't worry about it. Just click next, next, and leave all this as it is. Click next and click install, and it will take some moments to be installed on your computer. In the meantime, you can check if Node.js has been installed on your computer. Press the you should open the run and you should write cmd in it, and you can check if Node has been installed in your computer by writing node then -- version and press enter. If Node is installed, it should be seen here. Yes, the latest version of Node has been installed here, so you do not have to worry about it. You can also check it by clicking on Windows button and just check that if Node is here. Yep, the Node folder is shown here. You do not have to do anything about Node.js because it will run in the background. It is not like our code editor, because all of our work will be done inside the code editor, and all of our code which we call as the code base will be handled by this Node.js in the background. So our VS Code has, as we have seen, already been installed. We should not launch VS Code right at this moment. Just click finish on this, and we have installed Node.js. We have installed VS Code, and at last we need a command line editor, which is no doubt the Git Bash. We will learn about Git Bash later, but right at this moment just install it for your operating system. I have selected Windows and click here to download. This is downloading. I have paused it because I have already a backup copy in my PC. I have clicked it. The installation process of Git is a bit confusing, but you shouldn't worry. Just wait for the dialog box to appear. You will be asked for a confirmation. Just press yes, and then there will be several next options which will be a little bit tiring. Just press next. Use Vim Editor. This is where this Git Bash or this command line interface will be combined with your code editor, that means VS Code. Just press next until it comes to the installation process. And Git Bash is not a very large tool, so it will not take time. It will be installed within minutes, and we can see our VS Code has been installed properly. So we are trying to open our code editor. Yep, it has been opened, and we have to configure it a little bit. Like when we write code, we have to choose a perfect theme which will be very comfortable and soothing for our eyes to write code. So yep, our code editor has been opened. Press Ctrl+J to open the terminal. It is actually, you can call it a command line interface of terminal. Just click on this arrow icon and see here Git Bash has been present. This Git Bash is this Git Bash tool which is already installed, and VS Code has just already found it. So just let it take all the time to be installed, and after installing we will see that if it is working or not. So select Git Bash. We should not select it because it is not installed properly. So just delete this icon, delete this, and just wait for it to be installed. After this installation, we will see that if it has been integrated properly with our code editor. So in the meantime, what we can do, we can just click on the extension because we need a theme. Just write this theme is very eye-soothing. Just find this theme which is Dracula theme official. Click on install, and it will be installed. And when you will write code, everything should be designed like this. And this is my favorite theme. Just you can see any preferable theme of yours, and you will just install it. And just after it has been installed, click on it again, here there the button was installed, and now the button has the text which is uninstalled. That means it has been installed. And now click on Dracula theme soft. Now if you write code, this code will be handled by this theme. That means the color theme, and we do not need to view anything. Just click finished and close this VS Code and just reopen it again to see if everything is alright. So VS Code is opening and it has been opened. We have installed the theme. Press Ctrl+J again. We are now in the terminal. Now just click on this icon again, choose Git Bash, which we already have been installed successfully, and delete the previous terminal because we do not need this. We just need the Bash terminal, which is Git Bash terminal. Just delete it, and it is taking some time depending on the machine's speed and compatibility. Now check if Git has been installed successfully. Yes, Git has been installed. So we have installed a Node.js latest version. We have installed our code editor, and we have installed Git, and Git has been combined with our code editor. Everything runs fine. So now you are ready for developing a new project. So until the next video, you can just look a little bit on what Node.js is and what Git Bash is, because we have understood that in our code editor we will write all our code. So you have to have a little bit of understanding of Node.js and Git Bash.